Welcome back to Autowondr. In a bold move that fuses sporty design with next-generation tech, the 2026 Kia K4 GT Line Turbo is gearing up to replace expectations. As compact sedans, KIA is doubling down with a sleek, aggressive, turbocharged machine that's set to disrupt the category. At the first glance, the K4 GT Line Turbo announces its presence with sharp angles and a fastback silhouette that challenges even premium competitors. A low, wide stance exudes athleticism, while Kia's signature tiger nose grille is reimagined with intricate mesh detailing. LED lighting wraps around the front fascia in a lightning bolt motif, with air intake sculpted for real performance. Gains. A sporty rear diffuser, dual exhaust tips, and gloss black accents hint that this is more than just a daily driver, it's a statement. GT Line exclusive 18-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in performance tires, complete the dynamic look. Step inside and you'll find a driver-centric cockpit draped in premium materials. A 12.3-inch curved dual display system merges the digital gauge cluster with the infotainment screen, offering seamless connectivity and vivid graphics. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with OTA update capability. GT Line seats get contrasting red stitching, bolstered support, and an available suede R leatherette combo. Ambient lighting, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and aluminum pedals add performance flair. Under the hood, the 2026 K4 GT Line Turbo is expected to feature a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, pushing out a confident 190 to 200 horsepower, paired to either a refined 8-speed automatic or an available dual-clutch transmission for sharper shifts. This new generation could also benefit from lightweight construction and improved chassis dynamics, enhancing agility and efficiency over its predecessor, the Ford GT. Technology-wise, expect advanced driver assistance like highway driving assist, 2 blind spot view monitors, and predictive navigation-linked adaptive cruise control. Kia's digital key and connected services may also be expanded, allowing remote control of the vehicle from your smartphone. Sporty yet smart, bold yet balanced. The 2026 Kia K4 GT Line Turbo is the compact sedan reimagined for tomorrow's driver.